You think you're logical with your money, right? But what if I told you that you're being controlled by subconscious lies about wealth? These are toxic ideas we've all been taught, and they are sabotaging your financial future. It feels like you're sprinting on a financial hamster wheel, working hard but getting nowhere. The problem isn't your paycheck, it's the invisible script about money running in your mind. In this video, we're exposing the 5 most dangerous money lies and replacing them with truths that build wealth. First is the lie that money is the root of all evil. Believing this, even subconsciously, causes you to self-sabotage to avoid becoming a bad person. The truth? Money isn't good or evil. It's a neutral tool. It's an amplifier that simply makes you more of what you already are. The reframe is to see money as a tool you can use for good, for your family, for causes you believe in, and for yourself. Second is the lie that you have to work harder to earn more. The idea that time equals money is a trap. There are only 24 hours in a day, so that strategy has a hard ceiling. The wealthy don't just work harder, they work smarter. They use leverage. Instead of trading time for money, they build systems and assets that make money for them. The goal is to shift from linear income to scalable income. Lie number 3. Saving money is the key to getting rich. An emergency fund is non-negotiable, but saving alone is not a wealth strategy. One word: inflation. The cash in your savings account loses purchasing power every single year. You simply cannot save your way to millions. Savers park their money. Investors grow their money. You have to graduate from being just a saver to becoming an investor. If this is making sense, do me a quick favor and tap the like button. It helps push this video out to more people who need to hear it. Thanks. Now let's get back to it. Lie 4. Investing is only for rich people, and it's too risky. This lie keeps millions on the financial sidelines. The truth is, in today's world, not investing is the bigger risk, as inflation is a guaranteed loss of purchasing power. And the idea that you need to be rich to start is completely outdated. You can start investing with just a few dollars in a diversified, low-cost index fund. You don't have to be a stock-picking genius. You just have to be consistent. Lie 5. I'm just not good with money. This is the most toxic lie because it's a lie about your identity. Personal finance is a skill, not a genetic trait. Nobody is born a financial guru. It's learned. Saying you're bad with money becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. The reframe is to change your self-talk. Instead of, I'm bad with money, say, I am learning how to get better with money. That small shift changes everything. So, recognize these lies for what they are. This is about taking your power back. Choose a new set of beliefs. That money is a tool. That you can build scalable income. That you must invest. And that you are 100% capable of managing your money. What money belief are you ready to let go of today? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're ready to continue this journey, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.